And what happened was, in about 3 months, my finances completely turned around. And the main reason is because I am Dan Warburton, a transformational coach who's known for having enabled thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners to succeed in extraordinary ways. I've also got web spaces full of testimonials backing this up, and I'm often invited to speak to audiences of thousands around the world about what transformation makes possible. I now get to live an extraordinary lifestyle, and I want you to be able to experience the same. In today's video, you're going to learn why your environment and the company that you keep is probably the single one most important thing to your success. So there I was enjoying partying, I was hanging out in festivals, long festivals over the weekends, and there was a lot of people that didn't want to work, it was people that were very free and not worried about their future, their ambition. They weren't committed to much. They used to enjoy getting dressed up with braids in their hair, and they had tattoos and sort of a lot of hippie style clothing. And what happened was I just enjoyed partying, and in my spare time I was focused on growing a business. In fact, I was growing 2-3 businesses at a time, and I was really struggling. At the same time, I'd attended a lot of self-development and transformational courses, and I'd had huge insights and breakthroughs that enabled me to really deepen the quality and the enjoyment of my life, regardless of the results. So even though I was pretty much broke and not succeeding, I was waking up feeling grateful for life and was consistently in action. But once I literally cut out of my life all the people that I knew at the time. They were all the people in the festival circuits, all the people that used to like nightclubbing a lot, drinking, smoking kind of audiences and people like that. And I just stopped spending time with people like that and started spending time with people that were committed to creating a great lifestyle, people that were business minded. So I was going out networking to events where people wore suits, so I ended up wearing a suit as well. I ended up traveling up to London, going to these big speaking event organizations, started spending time with people there. And what happened was, in about 3 months, my finances completely turned around. And the main reason is because I was spending time with these people. These people were much more open-minded to going into business in general, but also going into business with me. So when I made them a proposal of my coaching or of how to grow a business or how I could assist them, many more of them said, yeah, I'd be interested to look at that. And then they became paying coaching clients and paying clients and also business partners. So what I want you to get from this is that your environment is absolutely crucial. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Have a look. Are they financially wealthy? Are they succeeding in the things that you want to succeed in? Because if they're not, it's very unlikely that you're going to succeed in them. It's that simple. If you want to succeed, you've got to start spending time with people that have already succeeded in the things that you want to succeed. And I'm going to end this with a statistic. 95% of the world's wealth is owned by 5% of the world's population. That is a true statistic. So, who are you going to take advice from? The 95% or the 5%? Exactly. So go forth, and if you need to, drift away from your old friends and start spending time in new circles and find people that will truly empower you and enable you to succeed in an extraordinary way. If you've got an entrepreneurial friend, then make them feel special by sharing this video with them. Also, feel free to contact me about anything. And don't forget, if you're truly committed to succeed, then hit that subscribe button.